Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying integrity and preparing the desktop. This clears corrupt configs and temp files. Once done, close overlays and set Windows scaling to 100% or 125% because inconsistent DPI causes UI resolution bugs. Make sure your desktop resolution and refresh rate match what you want in-game to avoid automatic scaling. Launch Steam, run Cs2 from the library after changing these settings, and pay attention to any immediate scaling prompts. This prevents the engine from applying fallback resolutions. You now change in-game and startup parameters to force the correct resolution, because the game sometimes ignores UI settings on launch. First, open video and choose full screen and your exact resolution. Full screen prevents compositing scaling. Then, add launch options in Steam like full screen W1920H 1080 high to enforce mode and size. Make sure to remove any windowed flags. Finally, edit the CFG video TXT to lock defaulters and defaultrashite so the engine reads them consistently at boot. You finish by restarting and validating across menus and maps to ensure the fix holds. If the bug remains, reset configs by renaming the CFG folder so CS2 recreates defaults, and perform a clean GPU driver install because driver scaling often overrides the game. Also try another cable or display port. Hardware handshakes can cause resolution mismatches. One key troubleshooting tip: check your GPU control panel scaling and set it to display or no scaling. This prevents the driver from forcing a different resolution.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.